How to remove lock screen password on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove lock screen password on Android. Before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. The first step that you'll need to take is head over to your settings. Locate your settings app and then open it up. After you open up your settings, scroll down until you see security and privacy. Tap on security and privacy. After you do that, scroll down and under the settings you'll find device unlock. Tap on that. After you're there, scroll down, then tap on screen lock. Then enter out your current PIN. After you do that, select the None option here and tap on delete. After you tap on delete, your entire lock on your Android device will be removed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.